Hey everyone, it's that time of year again, time to make the Christmas cake. This Christmas cake recipe I'm sharing with you is so simple to make, and isn't that all we want? The recipe itself is one that's been passed down by my granny. She used to make it every year when we were kids, and now I do the same, and I really hope you like it. What I love about this Christmas cake is that you don't have to soak the fruit, you can make it in one pot, and you can even make it up to a couple of days before Christmas. Okay, let's get started. As I said, this is a one-pot Christmas cake and you'll need a medium-sized saucepan. Just add the soft butter, dark brown sugar, glaseed cherries, mixed fruit, orange juice, sultanas, zest of one orange and whiskey or brandy. You can also use orange juice if you don't like alcohol. If you do this, then make sure you make it closer to Christmas as it won't keep well. Place on a medium heat and bring to the boil. Mix everything together until the butter is melted. When the butter is melted, take it off the heat and allow it to cool for about half an hour. When it's cool, add the eggs, ground almonds and the nuts. I'm using a mix of almonds and hazelnuts today, but you can use whatever nuts you prefer. Chop them up as big or small as you like as well. Mix all together until everything is combined. We just have 2 more ingredients to add. The first one is plain flour. Make sure not to use self-raising flour as you don't want this Christmas cake to rise. And the last ingredient is mixed spice. Mix one last time and it's done. Now isn't that really simple? Just look at all that fruit and it smells really good too. All we have to do is get this mixture into the tin. This tin is 8 inches and I've lined it with parchment paper on the bottom and on the sides. Now let's get this into the tin. You'll find the recipe for this Christmas cake in the description box below. Spoon it in every last bit and it's important that you smooth the top so that's nice and level. Before we put it in the oven, you need to pop a layer of parchment paper around the outside of the tin. Here I need some assistance from my daughter Aoife. Pop it on and tie with a string. This will protect the sides of the cake while it's baking. This needs to bake at 130 degrees Celsius, 265 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours. And 3 hours later, here we have it. Look at that colour and it smells like Christmas. Remove from the tin and while it's warm you can give it its first feed. It sounds like a baby, doesn't it? Use a skewer to place holes in the cake and make sure to push it down right to the bottom. I'm using whiskey, but you could also use rum, brandy, cherry brandy, amaretto, or even a nice orange liqueur would be lovely. You only need to feed it with 2 to 3 tablespoons of alcohol. Allow the alcohol to soak into the cake. This should only take about 10 to 15 minutes. You can feed the cake once a week, and when you do, make sure to turn it upside down and alternate every week when you're feeding it. To store it, wrap in parchment paper and tin foil and place in a cool place. I'll be doing a part 2 to this video where I'll be sharing with you how to decorate using marzipan and royal icing, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. I hope you all try out this Christmas cake recipe. It's really simple, it's one pot, anyone can make it, so get the pots out and get baking. It's just not Christmas without one. Thanks so much for watching and happy baking everyone.